If you are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel before watching the rest of this video to make that go to 22. Thank you. So if you are watching this, please get off now because walking back will destroy your life. Hello everybody, it's Fidget Spinner here, and today I'm just talking, nothing else, just talking. Okay, is that right? Okay, so lately I've done a Rocket League video, so I hope you like it. AKA it's a bit cringy. I'm gonna do another one soon. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. So yeah, go subscribe to Ricky Oli Vlogs. Lally Williams. I tried to search out there. It's my friend Lally. And yeah, he's my friend Lally from school, so I don't. It just cut out, so I don't know if you're actually back on what I'm saying. But like the video, please subscribe, and bye.
I wanna be a bit by all of the things I never had.
Hello guys, it's Harry the Best 360 here, and today I'm doing nothing but I will do something in it. Get dressed. So right there, and I'll be dressed in 1 minute. Probably less, I don't know. So yeah. And I'm back. So just got ready for school, and then these are just a hoodie underneath like this, and high bottoms, and yeah. And goes up to Kai. You probably know who that is, but Batman. And oops. Okay, you're leading vlogs. I forgot the other one. So yeah. Peace out. We're gonna go. See ya. Outro. Warning, if you do not like brushing teeth, get off this video. Hello guys, and today I'm showing you how to brush your teeth. Hi guys! So you get some toothpaste that's about like this much, and you go like this. Wait. Okay guys, so I hope you like that video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and like this video. Peace out. Here's the outro.
I wanna be a bit by all of the things I never had. I wanna be a bit by all of the things I never had.